Here's how we can enter and exit the safe mode on OnePlus 15. So first, in order to go to the safe mode, we need to turn off our OnePlus 15. So we can use the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu. And we need to slide down in order to shut down the phone. We need to wait for the phone to completely turn off, which usually is indicated with a little vibration. Once that happens, we can press and hold the power button to turn on the phone. And once you see the OnePlus logo, we need to count to 8 and afterwards press and hold volume down. So let's give it a try. We're gonna press and hold the power button. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna press and hold volume down. And let's see if it's gonna work. We need to keep holding it until we can see that we are in the safe mode, once we see the lock screen. Of course, there is a chance that it won't work for the first time, so you will have to, keep trying, but the timing has to be quite correct. And there we go. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, what you need to do is simply restart the phone. So once again, we're gonna open the power menu with the power button and volume up button, and this time we just have to restart. And then once the phone restarts, you should be able to go back to the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.